AI is everywhere, and as compute demands increase, this Jetson Orin AGX solution has options. Let's have a look at the NRU-220S. At the edge, systems don't get a second chance. From shipping container recognition to industrial vision and mobile robotics, everything runs in real time. The NRU-220S brings NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin into a compact, rugged form factor. It delivers high AI performance and reliable uptime in the field. There are 4 PoE Plus ports for devices needing up to 25 watts of power and 2 2.5 gigabit ports when speed is the focus. Digital I/O and CAN can be helpful with vehicle and robotic applications. These hot swaps can be set in RAID configuration and are easy to replace when the next drive is needed. Let's take a look inside and see how this system handles mission-critical AI at the edge. This Jetson Orin AGX system on module features either 32 or 64 gigabyte memory and fast expandable storage via this M.2 NVMe socket. There is an M.2 B-key socket for communications and 2 MPCIe sockets for expansion. The entire system is fanless, so there are no moving parts to fail. It's rated for temperatures from -13 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you need it for transit, mobile, or active robotic systems, the 222S model gives you rugged M12 connectors for securing cabling. And yes, there is a version of this computer that's IP66. Rugged, with waterproof options, this brain will follow your instruction to learn and make decisions on site. Call an expert at Coast IPC to learn more. We'll build you a powerhouse for what you need to do.